In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Basecamp for Garmin. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just starting out, having the right tools to plan your journey is essential, and Basecamp offers an excellent solution for managing your maps and waypoints. To start, you'll need to head over to Garmin's official download page. This is your go-to destination for accessing the Basecamp installer. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Garmin Software Download to locate the site. Once you're on the download page, you'll notice that Basecamp is available for both Windows and Mac OS users, making it accessible no matter your operating system. For those using Windows, you'll want to download the .exe installer file. This type of file is specifically designed for Windows systems and will ensure a smooth installation process. If you're on a Mac, the download you'll be looking for is the .dmg file. This format is optimized for Mac OS, providing the same ease of installation tailored for your device. Now, let's move on to the installation process itself. Let's start with Windows. Once your .exe file has finished downloading, navigate to where it's saved on your computer and double-click the file to run it. You might be prompted with a message asking for confirmation to allow changes to be made to your device. This is a standard procedure. Simply click Yes to continue. Follow the on-screen prompts, which will guide you through the installation process step by step. It's a fairly straightforward setup, and you should expect to click through a series of Next buttons. Eventually, you will click Finish, indicating that Basecamp is now fully installed on your Windows PC. If you're using Mac OS, the process is quite similar. Once you've downloaded the DMG file, find it in your Downloads folder and double-click it. This will open a new window displaying the Basecamp installer. Simply drag the Basecamp icon into your Applications folder. This action copies the program onto your Mac, making it readily available for you to use anytime. Once that's done, you can go ahead and eject the installer by dragging its icon to the trash. Like the Windows installation, this Mac setup is designed to be user-friendly and quick. And there you have it, a complete guide to downloading and installing Basecamp for Garmin. Remember, having the correct tools at your disposal is key to planning any successful adventure. Whether you're gearing up for a hiking trip or simply want a better way to organize your routes, Basecamp provides a robust platform to help you make the most of your Garmin device. Enjoy planning your next adventure, and thanks for tuning in today.